Alright, meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros, liveweatherblocks.com. Taking a look over the next few days, and let's take a look at what's going on. We have showers, thunderstorms, and some tornadic activity here in Alabama. That is moving to the east, and severe weather will be a chance here in Georgia, Alabama, and Mississippi. And it comes into the day on Tuesday, and actually the East Coast, some marginal risk as we come on the day on Wednesday. But take a look as it occurs. The wind lug gets kicked up to the north. You see where the showers and thunderstorms come across, and you notice a line in linear feature. You can see the storms moving to the east here. And then you see another system start in the south. This is showing the southern jet stream being more active, which in the winter could lead to systems that could cause wintry precipitation. So this is a start to a potential wintry pattern that would be good for snow towards the end of the month of December, mid to end of the month of December. Taking a look at the precipitation profile we get on the radar, satellite radar, we see the rain moving in from the east. This will come into the day on Tuesday as we start getting precipitation moving in, heavier precipitation for the afternoon, and then we have a little bit of a break before we get to Wednesday where we could have shower and thunderstorm possibilities. That could lead to damaging wind being the main threat. As you see. As we head into today, on Wednesday we get the southern flow, and a line of sharp thunderstorms moves into the area, damaging winds, like I said, are a chance across the Roanoke Valley. Let's take a look at the Delaware Valley now. Taking a look on the radar in the Delaware Valley now, you can see precipitation a little later start from the south, and showers come in today on Tuesday, some heavier rainfall, and that will continue through Tuesday night and into Wednesday, where we have once again the chance of a line of showers and thunderstorms, some of which may contain some gusty winds. So that would be the issue we have, and the Delaware Valley would be a gusty wind situation, and we are in a marginal risk of severe weather. Taking a look at rainfall amounts as it moves in from the west, we do along the Appalachians start to get to 2 to 3 inches by the time we get into Tuesday night and Wednesday, and then we get a little bit more. So we may end up with about 3, maybe even as high as 4 inches when it's all said and done, especially along the Blue Ridge mountain chain. And then we also are looking at 2 to 3 inches up in the north in the Delaware Valley. Let's take a look at the model. As you see, low pressure system bringing down that possibility of severe weather, Kentucky down through the Alabama area. And as we move along, we get the chance in the East Coast with some southerly winds, snow in the upper Midwest, and we may see some moving into the area of Michigan, and it would be in the UP in Minnesota. As our next system comes in with the south, we'll see rainfall come over Texas, then move to the north and east, and this will be by the day on Wednesday, the December the 7th. An ash runner, heavy rain, maybe some isolated severe weather. That moves to the east. We might get some snow in interior New York and northern parts of New Jersey, and we get some snow out to the Midwest as the next storm starts to blow itself up. And this time we'll get more cold air. Will we get any snow? That's a good question. We'll have to see how that operates. So, that's the GFS for you. The much needed rain is on the way for the Delaware Valley and the Roanoke Valley. Drought conditions will go down, hopefully, 2 to 3 inches over the next 2 days. And we'll keep an eye on the models to see if anything produces in the first 2 weeks of December for snowfall. Also, be aware of severe weather. There's a potential in the south tomorrow and also along the east coast from Philadelphia south and east down through the Roanoke Valley and further south to the Gulf Coast. Damaging winds, the main threat, and the isolated tornado. And we'll keep an eye on it, so stay with liveweatherblogs.com, the Weather Pros, and we'll keep you updated. Meteorologist Dean Davison. Thanks for watching.